What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time ever viewing my channel, please consider subscribing. Today's video I'm going to be restoring these Jordan 10s. They're very beat up and scratched, as you can see. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to deep clean them, unyellow them, and repaint them. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be tossing one of these to the side for before and after purposes. Now what we can do is unlace them. Now that the shoe is unlaced and the shoe tree is inside, what we can do now is start to clean them. What I'm going to be using today to clean them is your shoevinator. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so now that the shoe is all cleaned, what I'm going to be doing now is applying Salon Care 40 to the yellow parts of the midsole using a toothbrush. And then what I'm going to be doing after that is wrapping it up in plastic wrap. So let's get into that.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, this is how the sneaker came out after 2 hours of unyellowing. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing the same process off camera, just so it can get even more white. So I'll see you guys in another 2 hours.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, this is how the midsole looks like after 2 more hours of unyellowing. What I did was I took them out of the ice box and I unwrapped the plastic wrap, and then I cleaned it off using a shoevinator once again. What I'm going to be using today to prepare the sneakers is nail polish remover and 150 grit sandpaper. So let's get into that. Okay guys, now that the shoe is prepared and sanded down, what we're going to be doing now is taping off the midsole so we don't get any paint on the bottom or the midsole. I'm going to be doing this off camera, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, now that the bottom and the midsole are taped up, what we can do now is start to paint. What I'm going to be using today to paint it is Angelus flat white. I'm going to be starting to paint from bottom to top. So let's get into it. Thank you all for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Today's video, I restored a pair of Jordan 10s. In the beginning, they were really beat up, and now they're looking pretty brand new. I'll be dropping more content every week, so stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Peace.